Technology is rewriting the story of business across Africa. Remember when running a business meant you needed massive capital, a big factory, tons of connections? Not anymore. Let me take you back a little. First, cell phones came and connected people like never before. Suddenly you could call suppliers, check prices, close deals right from your village, small town. Then, mobile money arrived. No more risky cash payments waiting days for bank transfers. Now, you can send and receive money instantly, whether you're in Lagos, Nairobi, a tiny rural outpost. But here's where it gets really interesting. Manufacturing, something that once felt out of reach for most people, is now open to everyone. Why? Because technology, especially from China, has changed the rules. Machines that used to cost tens of thousands are now affordable. They're smaller, simpler, perfect for small business owners like you and me. Imagine this. With a solid idea, a bit of capital, one of these machines, you can start making and packaging your own food, drinks. You don't need a huge team, a big warehouse, just passion, creativity, willingness to learn. Let me give you an example. In Ghana, I met a young entrepreneur producing organic fruit juices with a compact bottling machine imported from China. She began in her kitchen, now supplies local cafes, supermarkets. In Kenya, farmers are turning surplus mangoes into dried fruit snacks using small solar-powered dehydrators. Not only are they earning more, this is happening across the continent. Local grains, nuts, fruits being turned into healthy organic products that are winning hearts in Africa and beyond. These businesses are creating jobs, boosting incomes, building a new generation of African brands. All thanks to technology that's more accessible than ever. So, if you've got a great idea and the drive to make it happen, this is your moment. The future of business in Africa isn't just about big cities, giant companies. It's about everyday people using technology to shape their destinies, and maybe even inspire the world. What's stopping you from getting started?